Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best mobility scooters. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Drive Medical Scout Compact Travel Power Scooter. The Drive Medical Scout Compact Travel Power Scooter is designed sturdy, thanks to its expert layout. This mobility scooter for adults is a higher model of the antecedent 3-wheel version. It is crafted from pinnacle excellent materials for durability and electricity. It has 2 pairs of wheels for more advantageous balance. This additionally makes it similar to the commonplace wheelchairs. It is ideal for all sorts of all-out outdoors terrains, hard or maybe. It is an aggregate of perfect quality and advanced mobility for improved capability. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the ATTO Portable Folding Electric Mobility Scooter. The ATTO Folding Mobility Scooter for adults tops the list because a nice developed by Moving Life Corporation. That is one of the smartest high-performance mobility scooters to be had nowadays. It has a LED display, brushless DC motor, patented expendable wheels, adjustable seat, and anti-flat tires. It has an array of modes to pick from during rides: power mode, trolley mode, or even split mode. It is FDA authorized, CENTAV licensed. This means that it's pleasant and requirements are absolutely excellent. At number 3, we have the Drive Medical Scout Compact Travel Power Scooter. This is some other splendid compact travel mobility scooter for adults, just like the other scooters from the Drive Medical business enterprise. This one is also quick and smooth to bring together and disassemble. One wonderful aspect approximately the Drive Medical Scout Compact Travel Power Scooter is that it has an elegant and ergonomically comfy design. At number 2, we have the Drive Medical Bobcat X3 Compact Transportable Power Mobility Scooter. This is every other first-rate mobility scooter for adults from a first-rate brand, the Drive Medical Corporation. This mobility scooter for adults is a lightweight for improved portability. By extension, it's far easily affordable. The Drive Medical Bobcat X3 Compact Transportable Power Mobility Scooter has an adjustable tiller, a provision that makes it particularly ultra-lightweight for superior portability, angle adjustable flip-up armrests for maximum comfort and convenient boarding and exiting. And finally, at number 1, we have the Drive Medical Phone X4 4-wheel heavy-duty scooter. This is a solid mobility scooter for adults that has a quick disassembly and assembly method upon transport. It comes with an interchangeable coloration panel, crimson and blue. This is also a sturdy and durable kind of mobility scooter. What is awesome is that with this product, you are truly confident of top quality consolation, usability, reliability, and durability. It has a huge carrying plastic basket that accommodates huge loads during rides. It has headlights. This is a safety feature that ensures safe rides at night. Adjustable seat function. The seat adjustment option allows for enhanced comfort for the rider. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this mobility scooters, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.